Hey Tap Tech family! Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the tech that powers your adventures. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing Garmin's brand new Fenix 8 Pro, the latest premium multi-sport smartwatch that just hit the shelves in early September 2025. Is this the ultimate smartwatch for explorers, runners, and outdoor enthusiasts? Let's find out. The Fenix 8 Pro maintains the rugged, robust DNA of Garmin's Fenix series with titanium bezel and sapphire crystal lens, but it's noticeably thicker and heavier than the regular Fenix 8 models. Garmin needed the extra space to fit in LTE and satellite antennas, as well as the eye-popping micro-LED in the top-tier model. The AMOLED variants, available in 47mm and 51mm, offer brighter screens, louder speakers, and improved outdoor visibility compared to the standard Fenix 8. The standout is the 51mm micro-LED model, Garmin's first-ever micro-LED display, boasting an astonishing 4,500 nits of brightness from over 400,000 microscopic LEDs. It delivers unmatched visibility, especially under harsh sunlight. This is Garmin's most connected watch yet. For the first time, you can use LTE cellular and two-way satellite messaging via Garmin's inReach technology, allowing for messaging, location check-ins, SOS alerts, and live track without carrying your phone. Note, these services come with a subscription and have some limitations. No traditional SMS/voice, only Garmin Messenger voice snippets. Battery life varies significantly. 51mm AMOLED Pro, 27 days smartwatch mode, 15 days always on. 51mm micro-LED, drastically reduced, 10 days, 4 days always on. Real-world comparisons show the micro-LED model loses 30 to 40% in runtime versus AMOLED, and nearly 70% in always-on scenarios. More advanced GPS modes and live track further chip away at battery. Under the hood, the Fenix 8 Pro runs the same software stack as the Fenix 8, with all training features, morning/evening reports, endurance score, hill score, running tolerance, onboard maps, dive support, ECG, and more, all carried over. It's not about new metrics, it's about staying connected off-grid. AMOLED Pro, 47mm/51mm, $199, $299, ideal if you want LTE and satellite without compromising too much on battery. Micro-LED, 51mm, $199, the most expensive Fenix ever. Stunning display and unmatched outdoor readability, but at a hefty price and battery cost. Some users appreciate the connectivity leap, but others are critical. The massive reduction in battery life and doubling in cost is a huge no for me. The AMOLED version is already incredibly bright, so having that be the headline feature for a micro-LED screen is questionable at best. It's clear this watch is for users who genuinely need phone-free communications and ultra-bright visibility, not average users. And that's the Tap Tech verdict on the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, a bold, connected smartwatch that pushes limits, literally. The AMOLED versions strike a strong balance between connectivity, performance, and endurance, while the micro-LED edition sets new standards for visibility at a telltale cost in price and battery. If you're a frequent adventurer who values safety and independence, this might be worth the splurge. But if you're more price and power conscious, the standard Fenix 8 still delivers incredible value. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this review. Hit subscribe for more gear deep dives, and let me know in the comments, would you go for the micro-LED version, or stick with AMOLED? Until next time, stay tech savvy and adventure ready.